Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SK's Physics, and today we'll discuss about class 12 chapter number 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance part 4 potential energy of a system of charges. First question in our mind, that what is the difference between electropotential and electropotential energy? Electric potential energy is a system of charges. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 charges. Now electropotential energy is the system of the charges. Electric potential is measure electric potential energy of a single charge. So here V1, V2, V3 and V4. Electric potential V is equal to U by Q, energy upon charge. Potential energy of a system of two charges. Consider two charges Q1 and Q2 with position vector R1 and R2 relative to some origin. Here distance between O and Q1, that is R1, and O and Q2, that is R2. Consider the charges Q1 and Q2 initially at infinity. Suppose first the charge Q1 is brought from infinite to point R1. This charge produces a potential in space is given by the potential V1 at P due to the charge Q1 is V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 upon R1 P. From the definition of the potential, work done in bringing charge Q2 from infinity to the point R2 is Q2 times the potential at R2 due to Q1, that means Q2 V1. The work done on Q2 due to Q1 is Q2 V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R12, where R12 is the distance between points 1 and 2, Q1 and Q2. Since electrostatic force is conservative, this work gets stored in the form of potential energy of the system. That means work done is the potential energy. Thus the potential energy of the system of two charges Q1 and Q2 is U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R12. We know that U is equal to minus of work done is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R12 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R12. For like charges Q1 Q2 is greater than 0, electrostatic force is repulsive and a positive amount of work is needed to be done against the force to bring the charges from infinite to final distance. The potential energy is positive because work done is positive. Same for unlike charges, electrostatic force is attractive and the negative amount of work is needed for the average path locations. Potential energy is negative because work done is negative. U is equal to QV and V is equal to KQ upon R. So electrostatic potential energy is depends on types of charge, which is positive or negative. For positive, electrostatic potential energy is positive, amount of charge on Q, and strength of the electric field. Now for electrostatic potential, V is equal to kq by r. So electrostatic potential is depends on amount of charge q and distance from the charge r. What if there are more point charges? Here potential energy of a system of 3 charges. Let's calculate the potential energy of a system of 3 charges q1, q2 and q3. Here potential energy of the charges between q1 and q2, the distance is r12 and energy is u12 is equal to k q1 q2 upon r12. Now for two charges q1 and q3, u13 is equal to k q1 q3 upon r13 and the distance between them, that is r13. Now same for q2 and q3. There is u23 is equal to k q2 q3 upon r23. r23 is distance between q2 and q3. Now here for system of the charges, there are 3 charges q1, q2 and q3 and energy is u12, u13 and u23 and total energy is sum of them charge. So u is equal to k q1 q2 upon r12 plus k q1 q3 upon r13 plus k q2 q3 upon r23 is equal to 1/2 sigma k q1 qi qj upon rij. Thank you for watching.